Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of October, 2024, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 4.43. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 19.73%. This equates to an average loss of negative 1.41% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically signals a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend threshold at $4.45 is breached, it may indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase and could serve as an early alert for a potential shift in the trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 14.06% over the coming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 12.92% to 94.98%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a projected decline of around 26.77% over the next year, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 61.96% and 12.23%. This corresponds to a price range between $1.71 and $5.04 after a year. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock price concluded at $4.50 on Friday, after gaining 1.35%. The NIO stock price experienced an increase of 1.35% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of November, 2024. The price rose from $4.44 to $4.50. Throughout the trading day, the stock varied by 3.44%, moving from a low of $4.36 to a high of $4.51. The price has seen fluctuations over this period, resulting in an 11.86% decrease over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a cumulative total of 44 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $197,670,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $9.57, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is 53.03%, or $5.08 below the 52-week high, and 93.29%, or $62.50, below the all-time high recorded on January 11th, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has encountered substantial challenges recently, reflected in a significant decline in its stock price, which has now fallen to $4.61 from a peak of $62.84 in early 2021. This week, NIO's stock has faced additional pressure, marked by an analyst downgrade and disappointing sales figures from its sub-brand Onvo, which reported a 37% drop in sales. Moreover, the Swiss National Bank has notably decreased its stake in the company by 67%, indicating reduced confidence among institutional investors. Despite these obstacles, NIO is actively advancing its battery swap technology, a crucial part of its strategy to ease range anxiety for consumers. Currently, NIO operates over 150 battery swap stations in Shanghai and has inaugurated its 20th station in Norway as part of its international expansion efforts. Looking ahead, analysts suggest that NIO could see significant price targets, with estimates ranging from $6.94 in the near term to as high as $25.89 by 2030, indicating potential year-on-year growth. In the short term, continued volatility in stock prices is anticipated as NIO navigates current operational challenges and shifts in sentiment. However, the successful implementation of its strategic initiatives, including the launch of new models and increased market penetration, could strengthen the stock in the long run, even amidst fierce competition in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. Investors may witness a recovery trajectory as NIO leverages the growing adoption of new energy vehicles in China and enhances its international presence, which could serve as a solid foundation for future growth. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating along with an upgrade action. On the same day, Macquarie also rated NIO as outperform with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup classified NIO with a buy rating and a hold action. On that same day, Morgan Stanley gave NIO an overweight rating accompanied by a hold. Additionally, on September 30th, Daiwa rated NIO as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence near-term developments. The NIO stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $4.80 and $5.58. A breakout above any of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 37.66%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 33 days ago. Bollinger signaled a buy 3 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a buy 8 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a buy 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 22 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average signaled a sell 26 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 43 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.15 and $4.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $4.15. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.04 and $3.70. This stock exhibits average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated 15 cents between its high and low, or 3.44%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 20th of November, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates at a loss of 29 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $5.02. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before making an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, NIO's first support level sits at $4.15. Should this support level remain intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? The NIO stock presents several concerning indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that NIO will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of November, we expect NIO to open lower by 4 cents, beginning at $4.46. It is important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We recommend consulting a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.